this is my capstone project. This is my wonderful family, my husband John, and I am blessed with 3 beautiful daughters. The family has grown and we have 3 now sons as well. This book by Jillian Michaels, Unlimited, changed my life. In it, she asked a question. What is something that I feared or did not ever do that I wanted to? My dream was to become a teacher. So I thought, it's something I probably should do. So at the age of 52, I became a student again. A friend of mine, Karen, she highly recommended Azusa Pacific as a program that she went to as well. So I entered in San Diego Regional Center. In December 2014, I graduated with my bachelor's degree and just wanted to get my credential and be a teacher.
Okay, we're going to be talking about fractions.
But God had another plan.
So, this weekend I'm going to a party and I baked really good chocolate chip cookies. So, but here's the recipe. I need a cup of butter, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon.
God's other plan was that my daughter Desiree was going to have triplets. On August 17th, we welcomed Charlize, Sawyer, and Jax into our world. However, it meant a change in my credential plan. I would have to postpone my credential until January, and so I thought I did not want to stop school and I would pursue my master's degree in digital technology. I chose digital technology because I believe that is the way of the future of education. Although I didn't know much technology, I became fearless and I will attack that world of technology. My first class was EDUC 511, Essentials to Digital Technology and Learning with Dr. Gilbreth. In this class we learned Symbaloo and Prezi presentations. It was an excellent class. I had to take an elective, and so I chose EDUC 525 Web Design with Professor Mulhauser. I made a class website and used many apps as Animoto. It was a great class. EDUC 512 was instruction with productivity software, and we learned to make WebQuest. I absolutely love WebQuest. I did mine on Weebly and on the water cycle. Great way of learning. We were also introduced to learn how to make different types of rubrics. In EDUC 515 was an evolving technology with Mark Rounds, another fabulous class. We made a blog, and on my favorite app, explained everything.
If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh what
It's a
a
very
rain it would
interactive
be.
website.
I stand outside with my mouth open wide.
You can add
Kids, you know
drawings.
another name for rain is precipitation. We're going to be studying the water cycle.
It would be a fabulous way to introduce flipped classrooms.
There are
as
3 main sources for the water cycle. The 3 basic reservoirs are the ocean, which includes lakes and rivers, the atmosphere, and the land. The ocean, which is salty, contains 97% of the water source.
In EDUC 514, digital videography
Davy
for Temple, I
Jones
learned how to make a
Walker.
movie.
But where is Davy Jones?
Under the sea! It's under the sea!
Wish I could be.
EDUC 522 with multiple intelligences with Lance Martin was an absolutely incredible class. We learned how to teach to all intelligences in a unit plan that would affect and learning of all intelligences. In EDUC 526 is our capstone with Matt Hickson. In this class, we put it all together. My action research project, I used a student named Jonathan. This is Jonathan's behavior plan. He is a first grade student who exhibits a lot of behavioral issues. He is silly, a class clown. He lacks focus, back talk on a regular basis, and made a lot of silly faces at other students. Our implementation plan. We had the students, the parent, and myself perform a conference. We implemented a daily contract where he would be receiving a sad face, a straight face, or a smiley face every hour of the day. Our goal was to have a majority of happy faces. Within a 6-week time span, the results were remarkable. Jonathan went from a majority of having sad faces to having a majority of happy faces. Conclusion: positive reinforcement equal behavior change. The unit plan was designed for second graders. It was a unit of money. It included collaboration, inclusion, and interaction with technology. The goals for this unit is for the students to identify different coins in their values, to add and subtract dollar values, and to prepare a profit loss statement done through a web quest on the money unit. In this unit, the Common Core technology standards met were Content Math 8, Technology Standards 1A, 2, 4, 5, and 6. A read-aloud book was introduced, Lemonade in the Winter by Emily Jenkins. The book is about 2 kids selling lemonade in the winter, incorporating simple math skills and concepts, and gives a great introduction to profit and loss for entrepreneurs. The first 2 days of the unit, song videos were introduced about coins and their values by Adapted Mind. An online money game for the students to play was made by ABC Learning. Students also made a haiku deck, incorporating their vocabulary words and connecting them with pictures. I am walking away from Azusa Pacific with accomplishments